What is up, guys? Thanks for coming back and thanks for staying tuned in my channel. Today we will be doing the finger coil. I'll be showing you guys how I do finger coils on my hair, on my little, I guess it's not a TWA anymore, but I will still like to call it a TWA. But on my TWA fro that we have going on, what I will be doing first is washing my hair, just because I have been putting a bunch of product on my hair so far. And I mean, I like to start it off, I like to do the style with clean hair. That's just me. Some people like it in the middle of the week, do like a rinse and go, like conditioner. And I'm not really for that, just because I want to start off clean. But before I do get into that, make sure you scroll down real quick, hit that like and subscribe button if you have not done that already. And then if you have a comment right now, I guess it can wait till the end, but go ahead and put a comment in there as well. Alright, so yeah, like I said, first I will be washing my hair. I will be using the Aussie Volume, Miracle Volume Shampoo with Bamboo and Australian Kakadu Plum. It's this one. When my camera focuses. There we go. Alright, and then I'll be using the matching conditioner. Same thing, same exact thing, just the conditioner for it. Alright, and then me personally, just because I like doing it this way, I feel like it's a better and effective way. I shampoo my hair, don't do that. I condition my hair first, just because I like the conditioner to like break up everything in my hair, and it makes it 20 times easier to detangle. So, little fun fact for you. So yeah, let me go ahead and wash my hair. Generally I do conditioner, then shampoo, and put a smaller amount of conditioner on my hair, just because that's easier for my hair. Like, my hair just likes it, and that last conditioning, it makes me like be able to detangle. Like, if I didn't get it before, I can get the very last knots on the very last conditioning. So yeah, let me go ahead and wash my hair, and I'll be right back, guys. Alrighty, so boom, bada bam. After you have that freshly washed hair, sorry, I'm dripping a little bit. After you have that freshly washed hair, oh my god, my hair is so soft. Look at that, just look at them curls. I ain't even do nothing, boy. Your favorite redhead. No, I'm just messing with you. But like I said in my previous video, I have certain products that work for certain things, and for this style, the one product that I definitely noticed that works in my hair a lot is, is Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils Flaxseed recipes. It's the Don't Streak Flaxseed Elongating Filling Gel. And then I know I am not throwing you guys off, but I'll definitely, just like always, put all the products that I used in today's video down in the description below as well. And I'm running out in a little bit. Okay. So honestly, I don't even just part my hair, just because it's not that big of a deal for me, especially not in the back. I take a pretty good like clump, and then I just put it on the back just for this gel. And then I do that for like every one that I do, and then I section it off, get a good nice amount of gel on it, and then I just twist it. And just keep parting with my fingers and twisting. In the back, I don't really care like how big they are, because I mean, my hair is just gonna fall right over it. So the very back of my hair, I'm not really worried about at all. Partnering and twisting. I mean, honestly, if you really wanted to, if you're that type of person, you can definitely part it. But like I said, just because it's the back of my hair, no one's gonna see it. And I generally go a tad bit bigger in the back. show you guys what this looks like real quickly. Wipe my hands. It pretty much just looks like this. Still got bounce to it and everything. So yeah, what I would do is, instead of fast forwarding, because I just feel like that's just not a waste of time, but instead of fast forwarding through it, I'll show you guys when I get closer up to the top, and then we can definitely, like, I'll show you guys more in depth, and I'll show you how they really curl, because like I said, the front of my hair is like more defined, so like my curls up front are like perfect for this hairstyle. Alright, give me a couple minutes and I'll be right back for you guys yeah. Alright, so I just wanted to show you guys an update and like the progress that I made. I just have about this much. Not even gonna lie to you guys, my hand like really hurts. I mean, I always love doing this style, but I always forget how much like it hurts your arms. Well, I would say hurts your arms, but like it definitely stretches that muscle just because like you're holding your arm up for forever. But just because I needed to grab this piece, let me do this piece, and then I'll show you guys how I do the front. Pretty much when you do this hairstyle, however you twist your hair, like whichever direction, that's the direction it's gonna lay. So like if you twist it a crazy direction, it's gonna be a crazy direction. And then I did forget to mention, well, not even forget to mention, my hair was still a little tangled still in like a few places. So what I did do was I took one of my favorite detangling products. It's called Aunt Jackie's Curls and Coils, not on my watch, instant detangling therapy. Here is this. That's what it looked like. Follow me. It's this one. If my camera focus. Okay, not. Alright. But yeah, it's that one. I did put that on there, so I'm going to use that as my leave-in conditioner. So up front, when I do my front, it's kind of different. It's very opposite to how I do my back, obviously. So like I said, I put the gel just so it can lay like my little edges down. And then I'm going to twist it. Let me get this mouth away. And twist, and twist. If it does like slip through your fingers, you can always just pick it up. And just twist. And bam. So yeah, like I said, however you do it, whichever direction you go in, that is going to be the direction that it lays in. So twist. I try and get like really near my scalp so it twists that part too, so I'm not looking crazy like 2 days in, looking like I got some braids that need to come out. Like, I love this style. It's just my arm. It's just like, oh my god. Like, I got a whole muscle right there now. Ow. I'm so sorry. Excuse all of my faces that I'm making. I feel like I look so fried when I do these. Let me finish these up. I just wanted to show you guys like more in depth of the technique, and then I'll show you guys again as well when I get this down a little bit. So yeah, give me one quick second and I will be right back for you guys. Alright guys, so we are in the final stretch. Yay. I forget how time consuming this will be. I mean, it's not really that bad. I think I've been doing this for probably like an hour and like 10, 20 minutes. But it is at that point where it's like, oh, that's really good. It is at that point where you know, like when you're doing your hair and like you're doing your hair and it's like you get tired, so some of them are like you do them halfway. Yeah, there's a couple of them in here that I do have to go back in and redo with like the ends of them. That is it. I mean, I do have a little bit of excess product on my hands, but I will show you guys what it looks like. Yeah, like I said, it is a couple of excess products, but I mean, when it dries, it'll be fine. And then the products that I use, they definitely wouldn't be flaky. Like, leave those white specks being flaky. Oh, you gotta redo that one. See? This camera finds everything. Yeah, and then I'll show you guys the back. Back that did dry, it's actually really soft and it's like perfect. I mean, it's bouncy. Like, it's not bad. This is like one of those tricky though, like if you're going out of town, like real quick hairstyles. I mean, it's not something that's crazy and that takes forever. But yeah, I mean, I love it. This is when I don't feel like doing my hair for like a long period of time. I think the longest that I've worn this hairstyle is probably like a week. But I mean, that's the longest I probably would even wear any hairstyle, just because then I don't want my hair to like lock up, because I really don't want locks right now. So yeah, but that is those. I mean, if you had somewhere to be and you wanted this hairstyle and you wanted to just walk out, you definitely can humidify it. Or definitely dry faster, but I like mine to air dry just because I want it to get, I don't want that like flakiness of the humidifier just in case, because if I wait then I can fix it. If I do it with a humidifier and I'm going somewhere, then I like really can't. But other than that, that is how you do finger coils, and I will be back next week with another video. I'm gonna start getting dates for you guys. I hope to be doing videos and uploading videos every Sunday of every week. So yeah, stay tuned every Sunday. Peace out.